Welcome back for our maths online classes. Today we discuss about previous year JEE mains questions. Chapter name is limits. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. So what is the statement here? Limit x tends to 2. Summation n is equal 1 to 9. X by n into n plus 1 into x square plus 2 into 2n plus 1 into x plus 4. How can compute this problem? So here limit x tends to 2. So here x reaches to 2. In the place of x write 2, what we get? Summation n is equal 1 to 9. 2 by n into n plus 1 into in the place of x write 2. 4, 2 square is 4. 2 into 2n plus 1 into in the place of x here written 2. So plus 4. So here summation n is equal 1 to n. So 2 by here 4. Here 4, 1 4 you will take common. What we get here? N square plus n. Here 2n plus 1 plus 1. 2 1 2 2 get cancels. Here what is the constant here? 1 by 2 constant. Summation n is equal to 1 to n, 1 to 9. So 1 by n square plus 3n plus 2. So n square plus 3n plus 2 we have factors n plus 1 into n plus 2. So 1 by 2 times of summation n is equal to 1 to 9. 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So 1 by 2 times of summation n is equal to 1 to 9. Here 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. I have written 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. After taking LCM, so what we get? Same we will get n plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So 1 by 2 times of. Now we should expand sigma here. N is equal 1 substitute here only. What we get here? 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 by 2. Here n is equal 1 here and here substitute 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Next same number you will take 2. N is equal to substitute here only 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and so on. N is equal 9 substitute what we get here 1 by 9 plus 1 1 by 10 minus 1 by 9 plus 2 11. Here 1 by 3 get cancelled. 1 by 4 next term 1 by 4 get cancelled. Continuously 1 by 4 1 by 10 cancelled. So what we get here? 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 11. So what is LCM here? 22 LCM. 11 minus 2. 9 by 22 into, here denominator 2 is there. So what is the answer? 9 by 44. Let us go to the next problem. So what is the statement here? Limit x tends to 0. Sin inverse of x minus tan inverse of x by 3x cube. How can compute this problem? Okay, here what is the constant? Denominator 3 is constant. So first convert into sin inverse to tan inverse. Why? Because we have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. One formula is there. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. If xy less than 1. Okay, first we have to convert sin inverse x to tan inverse x. How can convert here? Let us take sin inverse of x is equal to theta. Sin theta is equal to how much? X. So what is the formula? X is opposite side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is root under 1 minus x square. So now convert into tan inverse. Tan inverse of what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. So tan inverse of what is opposite side here? X. Adjacent side is root 1 minus x square. So minus tan inverse x, denominator write 3x cube. So limit x tends to 0. So we have formula tan inverse of x minus tan inverse y. According to that formula, write tan inverse of x minus y. X minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay. Now denominator, what is the denominator here? 3x cube. So divide, we have one formula, sandwich theorem, limit x tends to 0, tan inverse of x by x is equal how much? 1. Now here, so divide multiplied by, here what is the bracket total value here? X minus x by root 1 minus x square minus x by 1 plus x by root 1 minus x square into x. This value multiply and divide. Why? Because according to formula what we get this value? This value will be 1. Okay, that is sandwich theorem application. So 1, what is the rest of value? 1 by 3 constant. 1 by 3 times of limit x tends to 0. Here you will take x common, x into, after taking LCM what we get here? 1 minus root 1 minus x square. After taking LCM, denominator get cancelled. X into 1 minus root 1 minus x square by denominator. What is LCM here? Same LCM, root 1 minus x square plus x square. What is the denominator here? X cube. X cube here I have written x into x square. One x get cancelled. Okay, this continuation. Okay, this continuation 1 by 3 constant, limit x tends to 0. Here 1x get cancelled. So what we get here? 1 minus root 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square plus x by x square. So 1 by 3 constant, limit x tends to 0. And now, so we should do the rationalization in numerator. 1 minus root 1 minus x square is there here. So 1 plus root 1 minus x square multiply and divide. So what is the denominator, right? As it is here into x square. So we have a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. 1 square minus the root get cancelled, 1 minus x square. So denominator expression, right? 0. So here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here what is there here? X square. Here x square get cancelled. So what we get here? 1 by 3 times of here x square cancelled. So 1 by 3 times of 1 plus 1 2. Here 1 0 plus 1 1. So what we get here? 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. We get 1 by 6 answer. Let us go to the next problem. So what is the statement here? Let alpha beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then find out limit x tends to alpha 1 minus cos ax square plus bx plus c by x minus alpha whole square. Okay, here alpha beta both are roots of ax square plus bx plus c. Here ax square plus bx plus c is nothing but a times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. Why? Because in statement alpha beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c given. Okay, now limit x tends to alpha. Here we have one formula. Limit x theta tends to 0. 1 minus cos theta by theta square is equal to how much? 1 by 2. According to this formula, where theta relation, what is there here? Ax square plus bx plus c there. Here ax square plus bx plus c satisfied one of the root alpha. So limit x tends to alpha. So 1 minus cos ax square plus bx plus c. Here divide multiplied by ax square plus bx plus c whole square. This is theta square. 1 minus cos theta by theta square. We have got 1 by 2. Formula is there. So limit x tends to alpha. This value 1 by 2. Okay. So into here ax square plus bx plus c is nothing but a times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. A into x minus alpha into x minus beta whole square by x minus alpha whole square. From statement this is given x minus alpha whole square. So 1 by 2 constant right outside of the limit. Limit x tends to alpha. So now I say that here a into x minus alpha into x minus beta whole square is nothing but a square into x minus alpha whole square into x minus beta whole square by denominator value x minus alpha whole square. One x minus alpha whole square get cancelled here. Here instead of x right alpha, what we get here? 1 by 2 times of a square into alpha minus beta whole square. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. What is the statement here? Limit x tends to 0 minus x into integral part of x plus modulus of x into sine integral part of x by modulus of x. How can compute this problem? So here limit x tends to 0 minus here given. So as x reaches to less than 0 numbers, integral part of x value minus 1. Okay, here one example given. So minus 1 to 0. 0 to minus 1 you will take one number. So minus 0.3. Minus 0.3 integral part of value is minus 1. So minus 0.3 is, I can write minus 1 plus 0.7. What is the integer value here? Minus 1. So one more example. Minus 0.9. Minus 0.9 integral part of minus 0.9 how much? Minus 1 plus 0.1. So minus 1. So as x reaches to less than 0 numbers, integral part of x value minus 1. As x reaches to 0 plus integral part of x value 0. So 0 to 1 between you will take any number. Integral part of x value 0. 0.8. Integral part of 0.8 is 0. Okay, now Here modulus of x, definition of modulus of x, as x tends to 0 minus modulus of x is minus x, as x tends to 0 plus modulus of x is equal to plus x. Now substitute here all values, substitute here x into integral part of x value how much here, minus 1 when x reaches to less than 0 numbers. So minus 1 here modulus of x is minus x, sin of integral part of x value minus 1 by minus x. So limit x tends to 0 minus, here 1 x get cancelled, minus 1 minus x, sin of minus 1 by minus 1. And now here 1 minus 1 get cancelled, what we get here, 1 plus x, x place in right 0, sin of minus 1 value minus sin 1, minus sin 1. So what we get answer, so minus sin 1 answer. Okay, moving to next question. What is the statement here? Limit x tends to 0, 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 whole to the power 1 by x square. Now x place in 0, substitute, what do we get here? This is 1 to the power infinity form. Now, what is the formula? Limit x tends to a f of x power g of x. We have formula e to the power limit x tends to a 0 of x into f of x minus 1. What is the formula? Putting power into base minus 1. Okay, now e to the power limit x tends to 0. So what is the power here? 1 by x square. What is the base here? 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2. So power into 1 by x square into base minus 1. So 1 by x square into, after taking LCM, what we get here? 7x square plus 2 is LCM. So 3x square plus 2 minus 7x square minus 2. Here 2 get cancelled here. E to the power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square into 3x square minus 7x square. We will get minus 4x square by 7x square plus 2. Here x square get cancelled. Now in the place of x write 0, what we get here? E to the power minus 4 by 7 into 0 plus 2. E to the power minus 4 by 2, we get answer e to the power minus 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. What is the statement here given? Limit n tends to infinity, root under n square minus n minus 1 plus n alpha plus beta is equal 0. Then find out 8 times of alpha plus beta. Okay, first we have to find alpha and beta. So what is the limit here given? N tends to infinity. Let us take 1 by n is equal to t. Now n tends to infinity, that implies t tends to how much? 0. So first in statement convert into in terms of t, limit here n tends to infinity, place in right, t tends to 0. So root under, so what is n here? So 1 by n is equal to t, n is equal to 1 by t. So in the place of n write 1 by t square minus t minus 1 plus alpha times of 1 by t. Alpha by t, this plus beta sending other side, what we get here? Minus beta. Now limit t tends to 0. What is LCM here? So LCM here LCM is t square. So after root, this how much value? Denominator value t. Total LCM is t here. The root under 1 minus t square plus alpha is equal to minus beta. So now let us do cross product. What we get here? Limit t tends to 0. Root under 1 minus t square plus alpha is equal to minus beta times of, what is the denominator value? Limit t tends to 0 t. In the place of t 0, right? What we get here? Minus beta times of 0. So 0. So 1 in the place of t, right here 0. So 1 plus alpha is equal 0. Alpha we get minus 1. So alpha 1 substitute, alpha is equal to minus 1, substitute in equation 1. What we get here? So limit t tends to 0. So root under 1 minus t square, in the place of alpha, right, minus 1 minus beta by minus beta. Left side, what is the denominator here? T. Now in the here root function is there. This is a 0 by 0 form. So we should take rationalization or LH rule. So rationalization, what we get here? Limit t tends to 0. So here minus 1 is there. Divide multiplied by plus 1 combination. So root under 1 minus t square. So here the divide multiply with root under 1 minus t square plus 1. So divide multiplied by root under 1 minus t square plus 1. Soft rationalization, numerator we get, what is the form? A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square upon t times of denominator, right? This value. Root square get cancelled here. So limit t tends to 0. What we get here? 1 minus t square minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. In denominator, right, t times of as it is equal to minus beta. So limit t tends to 0. So minus t times of here, you will take minus t common. So rest of value 1 plus t inside by what is the there here? T times of root under 1 minus t square plus 1 is equal minus beta. 1 here, 1 t get cancelled. After that, t place instead of t, we should write 0. What we get here? Minus of 1 plus 0 by, so this is 0, 1 minus 0 minus 0. This is 1 plus 1. We get 2 denominator. So beta minus beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So both side minus get cancelled. So beta we get 1 by 2. So after beta and alpha, direct substitute in what is required here, 8 times of alpha plus beta. 8 times of what is alpha value? We have got minus 1. The beta value 1 by 2. What is answer here? Minus 4. We have got it. Okay, let us go to the next problem. What is given statement here? The beta value given. The beta what is given? Limit x tends to 0. Alpha x minus e to the power 3x minus 1 by alpha x into e to the power 3x minus 1 for some alpha belongs to R. Then find out alpha plus beta. First we have to find beta and alpha. After that, what is required? Alpha plus beta is required. So beta value, this is given. This is latest given statement is equation 1. Okay, now, so limit x tends to 0. Now do individual division alpha x by denominator, right? Alpha x by alpha x into e power 3x minus 1 minus e power 3x minus 1 by right denominator. Here e power 3x minus 1 get cancelled as well as here alpha x. What we get here? The limit x tends to 0. 1 by e to the power 3x minus 1. Here divide multiplied by e to the 3x. Why? Because we have one formula. Limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So x by e power x minus 1 also 1. So 3x by e to the power 3x minus 1 value, how much this value according to formula 1. So beta is equal limit x tends to 0. 1 by 3x. What is the remaining value? 1 by 3x minus alpha x. So what is LCM here? 3 alpha x. So 3 alpha x, let us do cross product. Beta times of limit x tends to 0, 3 alpha x is equal to limit x tends to 0. So after taking LCM, what we get here? Alpha minus 3. Okay. Now, the left side in the place of x by right 0. 0 into anything is 0. The left side or right side value alpha minus 3. Alpha minus 3 is constant here. Therefore, alpha minus 3 is equal 0. Alpha we get 3. The alpha is equal to 3. Substitute in statement. What is the statement here? This is a statement. Beta is equal limit x tends to 0 alpha x minus e to the power 3x minus 1 by alpha x into 3 power 3x minus 1. That is equation 1 here written. So in the place of alpha write 3, what we get here? Alpha place in 3 right here. Okay, alpha place in 3. So what we get here? Limit x tends to 0, 3x minus e to the power 3x minus 1 by alpha place in the denominator also write 3, 3x into e power 3x minus 1. Now expression 0, right? This is 0 by 0 form. Now by using LH rule. So what is LH rule here? Limit x tends to 0. We should applying differentiation on numerator and denominator at the same time. So differentiation of 3x we get 3. So differentiation of e power 3x is 3 times of e power 3x. Differentiation of e power 3x is e power 3x, but differentiation of 3x we get 3 according to chain rule. Differentiation of minus 1 is 0. So denominator you should use UV formula. So what is the UV formula? 3x into differentiation of e to the power 3x minus 1 is 3 times of e to the power 3x plus u into b dash plus b into u dash. E power 3x minus 1 into differentiation of 3x we get 3. Okay, again explain here 3 cancelled. After taking 3 common, it is cancelled on numerator as well as denominator. Now expression 0 substitute, what is the form? 0 by 0 form. Again you should use LH rule. What we get here, this is 1 here. So differentiation of 1 0 minus differentiation of e power 3x is e power 3x into 3. Differentiation of 3x we get 3. Next denominator also right. Here again UV formula. X into e to 3 e to the power 3x. UV formula used here. Plus e to the power 3x minus 1 derivative is 3 times of e power 3x minus 1. Here again 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Now expression 0 substitute, what we get here? Minus 1 by 2 we get. That is beta. Therefore, what is required? Alpha plus beta. Alpha value 3, beta value minus 1 by 2. What is the answer we get? 5 by 2. Let us go to the next problem. What is the statement here given? Limit theta tends to 0, tan pi cos square theta by sin 2 pi sin square theta. Now theta place in 0 substitute, what we get here? This is a 0 by 0 form by using LH rule. So limit theta tends to 0, differentiation of tan is secant square, pi cos square theta into. So what is the, according to chain rule, pi constant. So differentiation of cos square theta is 2 cos theta. Differentiation of cos theta we get minus sin theta. So numerator done. The denominator differentiation of sin cos 2 pi sin square theta. The same is chain rule, 2 pi constant. Differentiation of sin square theta we get 2 sin theta. Differentiation of sin is cos. Now here denominator numerator what are cancelled? 2 cos, 1 cos theta, 1 sin theta, as well as pi cancelled. So remaining terms place in theta place in 0 substitute, what we get here? Secant square pi times of cos square 0. Here numerator minus 1 is there. So denominator cos of 2 pi, in the place of theta write 0, 2 pi sin square 0. Denominator 1 2 there. So secant square 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. What we get here? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. What is the statement here given? F of x is equal to x to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 2x plus 3, x belongs to R. Then one more condition is given. What is the condition? Limit x tends to 1, x to the power n into f of 1 minus f of x by x minus 1 is equal to 44. Then find out n value. In the place of x write 1, this is the 0 by 0 form. Okay, now we should use LH rule. So limit x tends to 1, differentiation of x power n, we get n into x to the power n minus 1, f of 1 constant. Differentiation of f of x is f dash x. So denominator differentiation of x minus 1 is 1 is equal to 44. Now put expression 1, what we get here? N into f of 1 minus f dash 1 is equal to 44. So f of x is equal to what is given? X to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 2x plus 3. In the first, we have to find f of 1. as well as f dash 1. First, in the place of x, write 1. What we get here? F of 1, 1 to the power 6, 1, 2, 1. Total value how much here? 9, f of 1. Okay, after that f dash 1. How can compute f dash 1? First, do differentiation of f of x. Differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x. Differentiation of x to the power 6, 6x to the power 5. Differentiation of 2x to the power 4. 2 constant. Differentiation of x to the power 4, 4x cube. What we get here? 8x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of 2x, we get 2. Now put expression 1. What we get here? F dash 1 is equal 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 is 19. So f dash 1, f of 1, these two values substitute in equation 1. So n times of f of 1 value 9 minus f dash 1 value, we have got 19 is equal to 44. So 9 is sending other side. 9n is equal to 63 and we get 7. Thank you for watching. Remaining questions I will explain on coming classes.